Welcome to the recorded demo video of Water User Charges Management System for Dealing Assistant. In this video you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the Admin Login option on the system interface to access the admin functions. Upon selecting Admin Login, a list of modules will be displayed. Select the Water module from the available options. Upon selecting the module, the user will be directed to the login page. Enter the username and password in the corresponding fields provided, then click on the login button. After successfully login, the user will be redirected to the Water home page on the back office dashboard. The back office dashboard provides an overview of application and options for related actions on the Water home page. These include application forwarded, application received, and total pending application. Select the Water workflow option to perform actions related to the Water application. Upon selecting the Water workflow option, the list of applications will appear along with the filter option. Select your desired application and click on the View option to proceed. The complete application details will be displayed along with application status and options for related actions. To view the list of uploaded documents, click on the View Document option. All the uploaded documents will be displayed. Click the Verify Document option to verify the document. Select the document you wish to verify. After reviewing the document, click the Verify button to verify the document. Enter the remark related to the document, then click the Verify button once again to complete the verification. The user must verify all the documents one by one in the same manner. After verifying all the document, click the Action option to forward the application. Enter your comments related to the document, click Send Comment, select the Escalate checkbox, and then click the Forward button. A confirmation message stating comment recorded and application forwarded successfully will be displayed. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.